Today, I'm going to introduce a software that helps you automatically post hundreds of Reels across thousands of Instagram accounts. This is the interface of the software. As you can see, there are many features available. But today, I'll focus on the posting function. You can manage unlimited accounts, and each account can use its own proxy for safer operation. Before posting Reels, you need to prepare your content. Go to Content Management, click Add Article, choose the category where you want to store it, and select the platform. In this section, you can create different types of content, such as posts, comments, or text. You can enter any content you want here, and also add images or videos. Once everything is ready, click Save.Next. Go to Post function gives post Reels. Then choose your content. You can select an unlimited amount of content. You can set how many posts each account will publish, and the system will automatically optimize the video format to match Instagram's structure. After posting, you can also enable interactions or automatically share the content to Facebook. Once everything is set up, select your accounts and click Begin. The software will handle everything automatically for you. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and contact me if you need more detailed information about this software.